Namaste children. Today we are going to learn the phonic sounds of alphabet A to Z. As you know, these letters are having two sounds. One is its own sound like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is normally we are reading. But today I am going to teach you phonic sounds which will help you in learning the spellings and writing time also. Without doing any mistakes, you will come to know how to construct a words and how can I write without spelling mistake also. So these phonics words will help you in reading fluently also in English. So we will come to know A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Actually, this is having sound, but for you kids, we are teaching as a M. N. This is also N. A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W. This you have to pronounce as a mouthful. W, X, Y, Z. This is the way you have to practice all the letters A to Z as a phonic sounds, which will help you in writing and reading time. Thank you.